Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you turn off this sign or know how you can do that on your BandLab app. So all you have to do, you just click here on this photo here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go up of this sign here in up, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just switch into open video here. So then all you have to do before that, so I'm going to switch into open with us because it's going to take our time. You click here on projects here. So then you come here to I user publish for of my project, clicking this sun or this color. Like you see color, it's going, that's means on off now. For notifications, of course, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.